Hey, today we're going to talk about how to create a works cited page. Very simple. Just follow the steps in this video and you'll have no problem. All right, so first thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that your works cited page is started on a brand new page. You are starting it in the same document as your research paper, but it needs to be on a brand new page. It needs to be on its own page. So you click on, we have a new page here. Step one is to center align. And you're going to type in the title, Works Cited. That's it. You do not need to make this any bigger. It needs to just be in a regular 11, 12 point font. It does not need to be bold. It does not need to be underlined. Just keep it in a regular size font. Next step, left align. We're going to start putting in our sources. To get our source cited, we're going to go over to Tools. Click on Research. We're going to come over here and we're going to type in MNCIS. And you'll see the second source, the second one here, is a source, MNCIS into careers.org. We hover over that and we click Cite. You'll see that this number 1 over here popped up. It gave us a footer. We don't want a footer. All we want is the information that it put down here. So we're going to highlight that. Copy it, go back up top, go over by this number 1. We're going to delete this number 1. And now let's paste in that information. Now a couple of changes that we're going to make here. In the past, MLA, anytime that you cited something using MLA citation, you had to put in the URL of the website. A few years ago, that was changed. Now you do not need the URL of the website that you're citing. It's basically it's left up to the teacher, and I'm not going to require that of you. So highlight that information right at the end and just delete it. Get rid of it. The other thing that we're going to add here, though, is the web page title. So you have 3 sources from MNCIS. And we're going to put in the title of those web pages. So let's say our first one is job duties. Just type in job duties, put a period and a space. And you're all done. You've got that first source cited. That's it. Very simple. To get the rest of our sources cited, highlight this information, copy that, hit return twice, and paste that information in. Now we need to put in another title of a web page from one of our sources, and it's preparation. Type that in, make sure there is a space, and we've got our second source cited. 2 enters, we hit Control Paste. We need to put in our last source, which was, let's pretend it was wages. And now I've got my 3 sources cited. I'm all done. That's it. Very simple. One other thing to keep in mind is that these web page titles, right at the beginning of each source, these need to be put in alphabetical order. And as you can see, these are in alphabetical order. So make sure that your sources are in alphabetical order when you're all done. That's it. That's how to create a works cited page.